Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. It is late at night and I thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys these new Neutrogena wipes that came out, the Deep Clean wipes. Now to take off my makeup, I have always used, I don't know for how long, these blue makeup removing wipes by Neutrogena. They've got to be like the best wipes I've ever found, and a lot of makeup artists will agree. I think they're the #1 makeup removing wipes sold, something like that. Anyways, they came out with these brand new ones, Deep Clean. So I'm actually going to take off half of my makeup with my blue one, and then I'm going to take off half of my makeup with the Deep Clean. Now, they do smell different. The blue one just smells like a slight fragrance, and the new Deep Clean one has a mint type of fragrance. So I'm going to show you guys. These I have loved forever and ever. Because look, see? Boom. It's like, look at that. Just one swipe. Now, a trick I noticed to having them the most moist is to actually use the wipe when it's already folded like this. Because it like squishes the liquid through and it doesn't dry as quick. So that is just a little tidbit tip instead of opening it and it drying quicker. Now, these Neutrogena blue wipes that I use all the time actually leave your skin with like a pinch of moisture. Boom. Now let's try the other ones. Oh, it's a different feel. So it's not as slippery, I guess you could say, as the ones that I'm used to. It has more of like a grip to it. A totally different formula. Totally different formula. It like, the other one has like, I don't know, a pinch of oil on it, and this one does not feel like that. At least it on the skin, it doesn't feel like that. I don't know if it does have a little bit of oil or whatever. So it feels like it's really pulling and tugging on my skin. Now, did it remove? It did remove very well. I do feel like, I don't know how to say this. So I feel like it's so aggressive in some ways. It almost feels like when I'm pushing, my normal pushing that I would do with my regular remover, almost like I'm sanding a little bit or exfoliating. And it's probably, because I think the material of the wipe is the same, it's just the formula. So, this side versus this side. My skin feels hydrated on this side. My skin feels a tad bit irritated. Actually, my eyes a tad bit irritated. Almost like that glitter that was in the eyeshadow kind of got scrubbed onto my eyelid. That's kind of what it feels like. So yeah, this is a deep cleaning, but it's a little bit too aggressive for me, and I don't have very sensitive skin. I feel like it left me a little bit more redness and irritation in my eye area. So I would say that, like, I don't even know what I would use this for, because I would just use the makeup removing wipe. I guess if you're super dirty and you need to scrub your skin, then maybe you could try the Deep Clean one. But honestly, I'm gonna say this still beats them all, and my skin feels better. Here it's dried down already, and it's more like, look, more like a squeaky clean, if you see that. And here I slide. Squeaky and slide. So it is a difference, a big difference. You guys tell me if you like this review. Have you tried the Deep Clean ones yet? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. But while you're down there, if you could push that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.